Good morning, students. Dear class 8 students, today I am going to review the same topic, that is profit and loss. Okay. Uh, in the last videos, yes, before your first term examination, we had already discussed on the exercise, that is exercise 7.1, and today I am going to review again the topic, that is profit and loss, because after this topic, yes, these concepts are also necessary to be clear about the mark price, discount amount, yes, VAT. You understand that? So I'm going to revise this one. Okay, dear friends, I'm going to make you clear about these terms, that is profit amount, profit percent, loss amount, loss percent, selling price, cost price of an article, selling price of an article, the condition where cost price and the selling price are equal. Okay, give your attention. Okay, dear students, profit amount and before defining profit amount and loss amount, first of all I am going to define the cost price, right? Cost price. Yes, cost price, that means the price at which an article is purchased or an article is bought is called the cost price, right? For example, when we go to the shop and when we purchase an article for rupees 200, then 200 is called the cost price of that article, right? So the price at which an article is purchased or bought is called the cost price of that article. And similarly, selling price, that means, yes, businessman, yes, will sell the article, same article, okay, after purchasing from suppliers, right, from the company. The businessman will sell this article to the customer, right, or to the retailer. Defining the selling price, that means the price in which an article is sold out, right? The price in which an article is sold out is called the selling price of that article. Suppose we have a business, right? We are a businessman. Then when we purchase some article from the suppliers or from the company, yes, then after we will sell these articles, right? So the price at which these articles are sold out, yes, that is called selling price of that article. Okay, for example, suppose we purchased an article for rupees 2000, yes, and we sell this article at rupees 2500, then 2500 is called the selling price of that article, 2000 is called the cost price of that article. And here, when SP is greater than CP, then in this case there is profit, yes, profit is there. So when SP is less than CP, right, here the article costing rupees 2000, yes, if the article costing rupees 2000 is sold out at rupees 2500, then there is profit. So we can, yes, calculate the profit. Profit is rupees 500, right? So this 500 is the amount of profit when SP is greater than CP, when SP is 2500 and CP is 2000. So the profit, yes, we have got, that is 500. So in this way, yes, you can define cost price, selling price, profit amount, and similarly loss amount. Yes, suppose we have bought an article for rupees 1500, and we sold out that article, yes, for rupees 1200. Then in this case, yes, we have to bear the loss. Yes, the loss is, that is 300 is the loss. So when the SP is less than cost price, when the selling price is less than cost price, when we sell the article, yes, when we sell the article, yes, less than cost price, then in this case, yes, we have to bear the loss. So in this way, we can define profit amount, loss amount, cost price, selling price. Okay, and similarly, loss percent. Yes, how to find profit percent? Profit percent, yes, can be calculated. That is profit by cost price into 100%. Right. So when we divide profit by CP, yes, and then when we multiply it by 100, then we'll get the profit percent. So in this way, we can define, we can be clear about the concept of these terms. Okay. Now we have got the idea, yes, that is when SP is greater than CP. When SP is greater than CP, then there is profit equals to SP minus CP. Okay. When SP is less than CP, when an article is sold out in when an article is sold out less than cost price, then we have to bear loss. So loss, that is CP minus SP, right? Because cost price is greater than selling price, that's why we have to subtract selling price from the cost price to find the loss amount. Okay. And similarly, to find the profit percent, that is profit amount by cost price into 100%. We can apply this formula. And similarly, loss percent, that is loss amount by CP into 100%, right? And from here, yes, we can find profit amount. Yes, profit amount. We can find the profit amount, that is cost price into profit percent. If the profit is given in percent, right, then in this case we can find the profit amount, that is cost price in profit percent. We can apply this concept, right, in formula number 1. Suppose we have the formula number 1, that is profit amount, that is SP minus CP. Okay, profit amount, that is SP minus CP. So in place of profit amount, yes, we can replace it by cost price into profit percent. Okay, equals to, that is SP minus CP. Okay, we can derive another formula. So by transposing cost price to the next side, we will get SP equals to, yes, that is cost price plus cost price into profit percent. P percent means, that means profit percent. So taking CP as common, cost price as common, so remains 1 plus P percent. Okay, so cost price, that is 1 plus P percent, that means P by 100. So from here we can find cost price into 100 plus profit by 100. This is our formula. From this formula, yes, we have got the formula, cost selling price, that is cost price into 100 plus profit by 100. This is the formula to find the selling price when the profit is given in percentage. Yes, it is very applicable formula. So next formula, by doing the cross multiplication, we will get the cost price into 100 plus profit equals to SP into 100, right? So from here we can find the cost price, formula for the cost price, that is SP into 100 by 100 plus profit, right? So same condition can be applied when we will bear the loss, that is cost price equals to SP into 100 whole divided by 100 minus loss, right? This formula can be applied. So these formulas are very important. You have to remind, yes, you must have the clear concept about this formula. Okay, take this screenshot. I'm going to solve these questions. Okay. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4D. Have a look here. Rita bought a scooter and sold to Vishnu at 10% profit. Vishnu again sold it for rupees 48,400 at 10%. Find the CP of Vishnu. So here are two parties, right? One is Vishnu and another is Rita. And we are given the transaction, that is Rita bought a scooter and sold to Vishnu at 10% profit, right? Let's see here. In the favor of Rita, let's see here, in the favor of Rita, So Rita bought a scooter, yes, and sold to the Vishnu at 10% profit. Vishnu again sold it for rupees 48,400. Okay, have a look here. Let the cost price of a scooter. Let the cost price of a scooter be rupees X, yes. And then when Rita bought a scooter and sold to the Vishnu at 10%, right? And she sold, yes, at 10% profit. So profit, that is 10%. Okay, we can find the selling price, yes. Therefore, we can find the selling price. Just before, yes, we derive the formula for the selling price, yes, that is CP into 100 plus profit by 100. This is the formula to find the selling price when the profit is given in percentage, right? Okay, now cost price CP into 100 plus profit percent whole divided by 100. So cost price is X, yes, and 100 plus profit, yes, profit percent is given 10, yes, whole divided by 100. So X into 110 whole divided by 100. So 0 0 cancel, that is 11X by 10, which is the selling price, right, for the Rita. Okay, and similarly Vishnu again sold it for rupees 48,400 at 10%, right, at 10%. Okay, let's see here. I will check out question. Okay, at first. Seven point one. 7.1. Question number 4D. Okay, at 10% profit. Profit is at 10% profit, right? Okay, after that, in the view of Vishnu, cost price of the scooter, that is 11x by 10. Rita sold for rupees 11x by 10 to Vishnu, right? And the selling price for Rita will be the cost price for Vishnu, right? So cost price is 11x by 10, and then profit is also given. Profit, that is profit is given 10%, yes, and selling price is also given because Vishnu sold the same scooter, yes, to the third party, that is for rupees 48,400, right, which is the selling price. Therefore, yes, we have got the formula for the selling price, that is selling price equals to CP into 100 plus profit by 100. We can apply this formula. So selling price, that is 48,400, and cost price is 11x by 10 into 100 plus, and profit percent is 10, yes, divided by 100. Okay, now doing the cross multiplication, yes, or we can solve further. 11x into 110 divided by 10 into 100, right, this 0 0 cancel, okay, equals to 11x into 11, okay, divided by 100. Okay, so 11x into 11 equals to 48,400 into 100. Now dividing this by 11, so 11 4s are 44, 11 4s are 44, right? So 11x equals to, we have got 4400 into 100. Again 11 4s are 44. So we have got the value of x, that is 40,000. Yes, we have got the value of x 40,000. Okay, required one now. Required one. Okay, required, find the CP of Vishnu. CP of Vishnu. Okay, CP of Vishnu. Cost price for Vishnu, that is 11x by 10. So we have got the value of x, that is 40,000. 11 into 40,000 whole divided by 10. So 0 0 cancel. So 11 4s are 44. 1 2 3 1 2 3 44,000. Okay, 44,000 is the cost price for Vishnu, right? And similarly required number 2, cost price of Rita. Yes, cost price of Rita. So cost price of Rita, we have already assumed the cost price of a scooter. Yes, for Rita, that is X, so that is rupees 40,000. This is the required answer. Yes, in this way, dear students, you can solve others question. It is not this much complex, because if you have the proper concept of the formula, if you have the proper concept for the formula, and you know well the meaning of the question, right? What the question, what is the statement of the question, what is the meaning of the questions. If you will be able to understand the meaning of questions, then there is no any difficulties, right? To solve this question. Okay. And why I revise this? Because you must have the proper concept of for the profit and loss, because after this topic, you'll have to study about the mark price, discount amount, which are totally related to the profit and loss. That's why I revised this once again. And from tomorrow, I'm going to start the new topic, that is mark price and the discount of an article. How customer will get the discount. Okay, and its meaning we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, dear students, take this insert. Okay, I'm going to solve the next question. I'm going to solve the next question. The next question, question number 4E. A wholesaler sold an electric item to a retailer at 20% profit. The retailer sold it for rupees 2052 to a customer at 5% loss. How much did the retailer pay for it, and how much did wholesaler pay for it? Same as question number 4D. Okay, so here you can find a wholesaler sold an electric item to a retailer at 20% profit. So the retailer sold it for this much to a customer. So how much did the retailer pay for it? Okay, and how much did the wholesaler pay for it? So here, first of all, we have to suppose in the favor of from the side of from the side of wholesaler. Okay, from the side of wholesaler, let cost price let cost price of an electric item, let the cost price of an electric item equals to rupees X, because in required number 2, how much did the wholesaler pay for it? That means you have to find the cost price of an electric item, for the wholesaler, right? So then wholesaler sold an electric item to a retailer at 20% profit. Then profit is 20%. So we can find the selling price. We have got the formula CP into 100 plus profit. We are going to apply the same formula, CP into 100 plus profit by 100. So cost price is X into 100 plus profit is 20, whole divided by 100. So that is X into 120 by 100. So 0 cancel. That is 12X by 10. That is 6X by 5, which is the selling price of that electric item. From in the view of wholesaler. And again, the retailer sold it for rupees this much to a customer. Okay, now from the side of retailer, so cost price of the retailer is the selling price of the wholesaler. That is, so 6X by 5 is the cost price for the retailer, which is the selling price for the wholesaler, right? You have to understand, same as question number 4D. And again, retailer sold it the same article, yes, to our customer at 5% loss, and loss is given here, loss that is 5%. Okay, therefore we can find here selling price, right? Selling price, applying the same formula, that is CP into 100 minus loss by 100. If there is profit, then use the sign plus. If there is loss, then use the sign minus. Yes, it is very easy to memorize. So CP, that is 6x by 5, okay, into 100 minus loss. What is the loss? Loss percent is 5, whole divided by 100. Let's see here. So 6x into 95 divided by 5 into 100. Yes, so we can find easily. 5 ones are 5. Yes, remains 4, 45. Yes, 5 nines are 45. 5 ones are 5, remains 4. 5 9 5s are 45. So that is 6x into 19 by 100. So again divide by 2. 2 3s are 2 5s are, yes, 50. That is 19 3s are, yes, that is 57. 19 3s are 57. 3 10s are 30. 3 9s are 27. That is 57. So 57x whole divided by 50, and which is the selling price, yes, of that electric item, electric gadget, yes, in the view of the retailer. So at last, yes, the retailer sold it for rupees this much. So we can write here now when the retailer sold it for rupees 2052, then we can write here selling price equals to rupees 2052. So we have got the selling price, that is 57x divided by 50 equals to 2052, right? This much. Okay, now we can find here 57x equals to 2052 into 50, right? We can find the value of x, that is 2052 into 50 whole divided by 57. Okay. 57, right? So 2052 divided by 57. 3 1s are 3. Yes, 3 9s are 27. 3 8s, sorry, 3 6s are 18. 3 6s are 18, 25. 3 6s are 18, 25. 3 8s are 24. 3 4s are 12. Okay, so 684 by 19, yes, into 50, and you can use the calculator here, okay, to find the value of x. Okay, you can find the value of x from here. Then after, in required number 1, how much did the retailer pay for it? It means what is the cost price, CP of, you have to find CP of retailer, right? Only the language is different, yes, because in question number 40 there is asked that find CP of Vishnu, but Vishnu is, suppose Vishnu is a retailer, right? So you have to find again CP of retailer. It means how much did the retailer pay for it. That means, yes, retailer, the cost price or purchase price of it, we have to find purchase price, yes, for the retailer. It means at what price did the retailer purchase the electric gadget, right? So you have to find cost price of retailer. And similarly, how much did the wholesaler pay for it? It means cost price of an electric item. Yes, it means at what price did the wholesaler purchase this electric item, right? And already we have assumed here rupees X. Okay, so in this way, dear students, you can find this type of questions. Yes, you are in class 8. If you have the proper concept to solve this type of questions, then in class 9, in further level, yes, you may not have this much trouble, yes, studying about the profit and loss. So dear students, this is the review, yes, this is the revision. Okay, so today this much, and in the next video I will start, yes, the next topic, that is mark price of an article, discount of an article, yes, and the relation between mark price, discount, cost price, selling price, profit and loss. Yes, in the next video we will discuss today this much. Thank you.